So we just arrived. It started rain literally 5 minutes ago, and now sun is shining again, which is crazy. We can see already castle from the distance. There on the left, on the top. Here is some dude on the horse. Wellington. And if you want cheap, good beer, you can go here to Wetherspoon. I've been here a year ago. Quite cool. We're crossing the bridge where we have a main railway here. Just there on the left side of the Wetherspoon you have a train station, but we came here by car. Just letting you know, guys. This is the payoff. Stairs, if you want to reach the castle. That's the fastest way. That's the main road which leads us to the castle. I think a little bit further up we will see a whiskey house. Apparently one of the best. Right, the guy with the owl. Oops. And
The next time you come to visit. Oh, of course. Yeah, I still. Thank you. We're usually here Fridays, Saturdays, Sundays, and Mondays.
that's the whiskey house, which I was talking about. And it's called the Scotch Whiskey Experience. I highly recommend to come and check. Let's see the view. So here is National Gallery, not far away from the castle. Basically like 5 minutes walk down the hill. And this is how it looks like. Here you can sit and chill out around the nature. I remember during the winter time they also have here like a food market, you know, a Christmas food market. So now we're heading to Carlton Hill. That's another cool place to visit. There is a bit of climb on the front of us, but it's okay. Reaching our destination, I have to tell you, Edinburgh, it's full of hills and downhills. If you want to lose some kilograms, I definitely recommend to come and visit. People just chilling, the weather is nice, actually quite beautiful. Doggy, very nice doggy. And the view as well. This is where I want to go. Hopefully today. So, yeah, people sitting and enjoying the weather and the view. This is what it is. I can tell you, if you climb there, you can get some great photos, which I did some time ago as well. Quite huge, actually. Maybe like swimming 15 meters or 20, those columns. And to climb here, at least it's like a few meters as well. Look at that. I'm not sure if I will be able to record everything what I wanted today. Actually, I'm pretty sure I will not, so I'll have to come another day. 1 week later, 5 o'clock in the morning, and Edinburgh is sleeping, very quiet. I think there is something special here. If you want to come and visit in the morning, just look at this. How peaceful. We just managed to get to our takeoff points, and I'm getting ready and we will take a flight. Okay, 2 hours later, in Holy Road Park, 7 o'clock, we took some, I hope, good drone footage. We had some nice conversation with morning people, and now we are heading to the top of the cliffs. Quite rocky here. Have to look on my steps, especially when recording and walking. Just look at that. Amazing. People running there far away. Don't know if you can see. Okay, let's go further. Probably I will take some drone footage. We are approaching the top. Here is the castle from the top. Basically from the top you can see whole Edinburgh here. It's definitely worth it to come. And it's good hiking too. Just look at that. Very good, very pretty. Living at the edge. This is where we have been a week ago. I don't know if you can see. Castle Hill or something like that, if I remember correctly. People take it selfies. Not surprised. We just finished in Holy Road Park. I hope I was able to catch the landscape the way you can really feel the altitude of that park. And now we're heading to the streets of Edinburgh. Yeah. So we are on our way to next destination, to the Dene village from Quarry car park. We have around 19 minutes of walk, and I will see you there. On my way, I've seen some parish church with the graveyard, so I stopped by. And let's have a look what's happening here. Some fontaine. This is just next to the castle. Castle is just behind me on the top of the hill. Maybe, I don't know, like 100 meters. Okay, let's go to our village. So we are passing by another church, St. John Church, on our way. Beautiful architecture, literally everywhere. Here is some beautiful cathedral. I don't know even what is that. I think it's worth to check this out. Dane village supposed to be somewhere here, I guess. All of the buildings made from the stone, as you can see. I don't know if you can hear the birds. Only the birds. No cars. People living next to the river in such a chill place. Very beautiful. I think I could live here.
This is all Stephen Finlay.
Imagine living in a house like that. It looks like from fairy tellers. Just found something. Quite steep. So I don't know if I will go to this cathedral. Maybe it's just kind of following the flow. Just feels better, more organic. Highly recommend to have water of lake walkway adventure. Perfect place to chill out. There is quite a bit of walking already. Now we're heading to check Mary Episcopal Cathedral, if I pronounce this the right way. And we will get there following our river path. So practical with enjoyable. So guys, I will see you there, I guess. Huge. Look at that. I think it's free if you want to go and have a look inside. Yeah, so it's amazing there, but unfortunately they didn't allow me to film and make any photos. So you will have to go and check by yourself. So here is the walk around the castle as well, which I am walking right now. Look at the rocks on which the castle is built. So it is 11 o'clock a.m. right now. We are in Edinburgh for already, I guess, 6 hours. Yeah, we done 15,000 steps so far. And I just noticed that if I would come and visit and have walk around, definitely I would do it in morning hours. There is so much less crowd than, during the evening and midday. I'm going up. So we can enter the castle from both ways, from the main street and from other side. A,
Dzień dobry!
hej,
Ja nie mogę, ale spotkanie, ja cię dole.
jak tam? Check it. So I don't know. This situation is like one in a million. I was walking in Edinburgh, and I met my friend from different country. Could you imagine that? But anyway, we had little chat, and well, I'm continuing my journey.
And they had a
Adam Smith. So we're coming back a little bit different way from the castle. We could come back through that main street, which is going out from the castle, or we could come back through those stairs, which we used in last week to climb to the castle with the shortcut. Here's some wedding photography going on. And we are back. The bridge, the train station, National Gallery down there. Way to the castle. Everything is quite near. We nearly finished. We're heading for the coffee. Later on, I will have some food. I found, I think, quite traditional, small, cameral Italian restaurant. And I will leave Edinburgh. Hopefully, I have enough batteries to, guys, show you secret Italian restaurant. Yeah. So my mic just died. Hopefully, guys, you can still hear me. We're heading to our last destination, Napoli Bar. Hey, lads.
Paddington. Wait, did you know that? You actually
So I finally managed to get into the restaurant. I especially was waiting around 15-20 minutes for them to be open. Yeah, thank
want
you
some
very
cheese?
much. Oh yes, please.
Okay.
So this is what.
Okay,
it is.
hold it up. Yeah, hold it up.
Yeah.
Is that my part? More?
Oh, a little bit more. That's perfect. Thank you
Perfect.
very much.
Let's take that one, yeah.
Perfect. So here we are, guys, at the end of our journey in Edinburgh. I hope you can hear me correctly, as this mic is dead. And I will see you in different place in Scotland. Have a nice one.